Today I am creating parrot green with brown smoky eye look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Let's get started with the video.
बन के तुसी बटरफ्लाई किथे नू चले आ।
Welcome back to my channel. I am using CV3 24 Gold Key Primer. Primer is most important step of makeup. It prepares the skin to create canvas for the makeup you will be putting on your face. Applying Krylon FS28 as concealer and foundation. Applying with fingers. You can also apply with brush. Now blend with Beauty Blender. Lakme loose powder to set concealer so that makeup lasts longer and does not move around. I am using beige color from Makeup Revolution palette, applying on crease line. Using beautiful chocolatey dark brown shade, applying on crease line. And then apply all over eyelid. Blending is most crucial step of makeup. Now cut the crease with concealer. And setting with Beauty Blender. Now I am taking flat eyeshadow brush, applying green eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution palette, applying on inner to mid eyelid. Using concealer to pop up the eyeshadow. Blend with Beauty Blender. Applying dark green shade in inner corner. Taking again chocolatey brown shade and applying on crease line to give finishing look. Apply chocolatey brown shade on bottom lash line. It is most important to give right shape to your eyebrows. It enhances the look. Using L'Oreal mascara, applying on upper lash line and bottom lash line. using red cherry eyelashes, and this is how it looks. PAC contour powder with angle contour brush, contouring cheeks and nose. Swiss Beauty blush and highlighter palette with blush brush, applying blush on highlighting point on cheeks and highlighting with the bronzer shade on nose, cheeks and forehead. Applying brown lipstick with orange tint and giving a perfect shape to my lips. Here is my final look. Hope you guys enjoy this look. Like, share and comment. And if you have any suggestion, you can give me in the comment box. To become a part of my YouTube family, subscribe to my YouTube channel and meet you